Dear students, pleasant morning to all. You have a listening text story. You have a listening text story, My Friend Sweetie, related to the poem Kindness to Animals. You have the poem, third poem, Kindness to Animals. Related to that poem, here it is a story very related to that poem, that is called My Friend Sweetie. Here, before the children, observe here some pictures are related to the kindness to animals. Just observe here how the girl give the water to feed the water to a cat. Then a boy saved the dog from the flood. Got it? Here a girl, a pretty girl, kisses and loves a rabbit. How the girl feeding to the goat. Then here another one, kindness to animals. This is a drawing. Here a girl feeding to a cat, and here a robin, either a sparrow, come and take the food. Got it? That is called crumbs. Here another one activity to you children, that is, let's juggle and giggle. Juggle means giggle. Giggle means guddata, musikina guddata we called. But this is a brain feeding game, children. Just you observe this one here. What is this? Here a dash doctor was dashed to perform in surgery because there was dash. For this, if you complete the fill in the blanks, use this clue. What is this? That clue? The clue is use these letters to fill. Use these letters to fill. Only you should use these letters to fill all the three blanks. N-O-T-A-B-L-A. You make it along with these letters. You can fill in the blanks to this juggle and giggle along with. Afterwards, end of that, I will give the answer to this one, children. Before that, just you think it. Which word is suitable to first blank, and which was suitable to second and third one. Okay? Just you think it. Now, we will move to the story, My Friend Sweetie. Here, Papa is so nice that he gifted me a friend rabbit. A gift none of my friends have. The rabbit is white like cotton and her eyes are beautiful like pomegranate seeds, but a little bigger. She has beautiful long ears. Papa and Amma, I decided to call her Sweetie. Amma takes care of Sweetie. Sweetie loves to eat carrots and raw vegetables. Amma says vegetables eaten raw after washing are good. So my friend Sweetie and I eat together in the evening. This is the first paragraph of the story. Next, when I come from school, I see Sweetie waiting for me. She jumps on me and I carry her. I kiss her and we play in the small garden we have behind the house. Lots of flowers grow there. It is a very beautiful garden. On Sunday morning, I water the plants. Uncle Roshan came from Mangaluru. Here, he liked my friend Sweetie. When I was playing in the living room, Uncle Roshan, who is my father's friend, said, I have not eaten rabbit meat for a long time. Can I take it while I go back tomorrow? You all don't like eating meat and we don't get to see rabbit these days. My family and I will have a fest. My papa and amma became angry, but they did not talk. They kept quiet and continued to watch TV. Uncle Roshan got up. I went to the table and started doing his office work. I ran to see where Sweetie was. She was playing on the lawn. I immediately carried her to my friend's house. I asked my friend to keep Sweetie for a day and said I would collect her the next day. I left some carrots for her too and came home. Since I take care of Sweetie, Papa and Amma did not know what I had done. Early morning, after breakfast, Uncle Roshan asked for Sweetie. Papa and Amma kept quiet. Uncle Roshan looked around. Now here, could he find her? And then he left for Mangaluru. My Sweetie is safe forever. Here, observe the children, how the girl saved the rabbit from her father's friend, either the Uncle Roshan. Got it? You know the story. Now I will tell the theme of the story. Here, Papa is so nice that he gifted me a friend rabbit. Sometimes your parent also gives some gifts to you. But here, a gift none of my friends have. Like this type of gift. Her friends, other friends, they doesn't have this type of gift. And the rabbit, white like a cotton. How is the rabbit? She describes the rabbit here. She describes the rabbit. How was the rabbit here? The rabbit is white like a cotton. How does? White like a cotton, and her eyes are beautiful like pomegranate seeds, but a little bigger. You know, the pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate is a fruit, ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ. ದಾಳಿಂಬೆಯ ಬೀಜಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. It is a bit, but a little bigger than the pomegranate seeds. Sometimes we compare somebody's teeth and eyes like that. Okay, her teeth are like a pomegranate seeds like that. Here, the girl compared her eyes to the pomegranate seeds, but those eyes are little bit bigger than the pomegranate seeds. And she has beautiful long ears. You know, you look at the ears of the rabbits. They are very long. Papa, Amma and I decided to call her Sweetie. Sometimes, you know the naming ceremony. Sometimes we celebrate the naming ceremony at our home for the new kids, for the babies. That is called naming ceremony. Like that, they decided to called with the Sweetie. Because when we find any person or a place or thing, the noun is very important. We give the name to those things. Likewise, here also, that girl and her father and mother, all the three members decided to call her Sweetie. What was the name for that rabbit? The rabbit name was Sweetie. Amma take care of Sweetie. Always her mother take care of the Sweetie. Sweetie loves to eat carrots and raw vegetable. What she eats, the Sweetie loves to eat. The Sweetie and the rabbit loves to eat carrots and raw vegetables. Carrot and raw vegetables. Hasi tarakarigalu. Raw vegetables means they are not uncooked. They are uncooked vegetables are called raw vegetables. Amma says vegetables eaten raw after washing. Always, that is the good habit, children. You should also maintain this good habits after washing the raw vegetable. Even nowadays we are washing all the things, everything, because of the COVID-19. That virus, we don't know where it is the virus come from. So for that we use all the things with washing. Here also, before that her mother says vegetables eaten raw after washing, that is the good habit, are good. So my friend Sweetie and I eat together in the evening. Both are in the evening, both are eat the carrot in the evening. When I come from school, when he returned to home from the school, I see Sweetie waiting for me. She observed the Sweetie, but that rabbit waiting for her. She jumps on me, and I carry her. How even the pet animals loves us. They love us when we love them. And I carry her, I kiss her, and we play in the small garden we have behind the house. We have behind the house that garden is called a backyard. Backyard means ಹಿತ್ತಿಲು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹಿತ್ತಲನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. That is called backyard. Either we have the small garden, we have behind the house, that is called the backyard. Lots of flowers grow there. Different kinds of flowers are grow there. It is a very beautiful garden. It is a very beautiful garden. On Sunday morning, I water the plant. This is the good habit of her. You should cultivate this type of habits, watering the plant and planting the new saplings, like that. These are the good habits, children. Here, that girl water the plants on Sunday mornings. If you have the times every day, either the day by day, alternative days, if you don't have the garden like that, you maintain the small, keep some pots, maintain the pots and grow some plants at your home. Here, Uncle Roshan came from Mangaluru. Uncle Roshan, name of the uncle is Roshan, came from Mangaluru. He liked my friend Sweetie. When I was playing in the living room, both were in the living room. Uncle Roshan, who is my father's friend, who is Roshan, he is her father's friend. Friend Roshan said, I have not eaten rabbit meat for a long time. Meat means flesh, children. Meat means flesh, mamsa. I have not eaten rabbit meat for a long time. Can I take it while I go back tomorrow? He asked to them. Can I take it while I go back tomorrow? When he returned tomorrow, for that he wanted to take the Sweetie to make the fest, to make the food, to make the cook. And you all don't like eating meat. Maybe they are called vegetarians. They are not like to eat the meat. So you all don't like eating meat, and we don't get to see rabbits these days. On these days, we don't get the rabbits to eat. My family and I will have a fest. Fest means it is called Bhuri Bhojana. So that is called a fest, a special meal. That special meal is called fest. Either feast. Sometimes we pronounce the feast and the fest like that. My papa and amma became angry, but they did not talk because he is my father's friend. So they got angry, but they did not talk. They kept quiet and continued to watch TV. They kept quiet and continued to watch TV. Uncle Roshan got up, went to the table and started doing his office work. He had some office work. He completed. He started doing his office work on the table. I ran to see where Sweetie was. I want to search the Sweetie. Where was the Sweetie? She was playing on the lawn. The lawn means that is an area of grass in a garden. An area of the grass in a garden, that is called lawn. ಹುಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾಸು ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದು, that is called lawn. That girl found the the rabbit in the lawn. I immediately carried her to my friend's house. That girl carried out to her friend's house. I asked my friend to keep Sweetie for a day, and I said I would collect her the next day. Next day I will collect it. Please keep it with you. Like that, she asked to her friend, and she kept that rabbit in her friend's house. Got it? Then I left some carrots for her too and came home. I left means I leave the past tense form of the leave. Left. I left some carrots for her too. ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಅವಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ her means rabbit, Sweetie. ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. I left some carrots for her too and came home. She returned to home. Since I take care of Sweetie, when she take care of the Sweetie, Papa and Amma did not know what I had done. So they didn't know what he had done. She didn't tell to them. She didn't tell to her father, either the mother. Early morning, after breakfast, Uncle Roshan asked for Sweetie. In the early morning, next day morning, after the breakfast, Uncle Roshan asked for Sweetie. Papa and Amma kept quiet. They didn't know. Uncle Roshan looked around. She searched everywhere for the Sweetie. Now here could he find her? Because already that girl kept that Sweetie in her friend's house. So, and then he left for Mangaluru. Again, left. That is the past tense form of the leave and left. My Sweetie is safe forever. My Sweetie is safe forever. So, how the girl saved the Sweetie from the Uncle Roshan? If the Uncle Roshan found, he would like to carry that Sweetie to his house, and then he will cut that Sweetie, either the rabbit. Then they will make the feast at their home. So for that girl, the little girl, the pretty girl, saved this rabbit. Though this is the how we show the kindness to our pity, our sympathy, empathy, everything. How do we show to the animals? That is very important. Okay. Now we will how the girl and the here rabbit are doing. Observe this picture. Here a girl is here, and here the rabbit. How that is making? Both are the. She always keep it with her. Here already you know some juggle and giggle. That answer we will check it. This is the answer time for already I given that some fill in the blanks, children. Got it? A notable doctor. Notable means prakyata, well known. A notable doctor was not able, observe, not able to perform a surgery because there was no table. Got it? This is called juggle and giggle. Okay, children. Thank you for your kind attention. Observe all these things. Then in the next session, we will continue the poem, that is kindness to animals. Okay, children. See you all.